Hey guys, what's up? This is Only the Truth with you all this evening. Tonight we're going to be going over a really interesting case. It happened in Fort Smith, Arkansas on March 4th, 2021. I'll put all the case details down in the description of the video. So there are two separate videos in this MUFON case. The first video is just this guy recording what appears to be a star or planet, you know, just a bright object in the sky. It could even be a Chinese lantern or a drone or something, you know. It's not doing anything. I can't really tell if it's moving or if it's him moving the camera around. It's just not that interesting until you get into this second video. And this is where things get really interesting. Okay, you got this light. It appears to be far away. It brightens up and then it zooms away. That's what it looks like to me. Like this thing is getting closer, brightening up, and then it zooms away. And if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know I've covered cases like this before. Single lights that are displaying incredible maneuvers that earthly objects don't make. Man doesn't make things that do this. So what we're looking at here is not like a Chinese lantern. It's not a satellite. It's not a plane. It's not a helicopter. Maybe this is a drone. Somebody could be filming Fort Smith at night or something. I mean, highly unlikely. I don't think it's a drone, guys. Drones don't stay up in the air. If you read the description, the guy says he's recording this for 30 minutes. Drones don't stay up in the air for 30 minutes that high. It's not a drone. So what is it? I don't know. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. I just thought it was cool and interesting. Anyways, this is Only the Truth signing out. Have a good night.